What's the meaning of confront? Confront. Confront.
Confront. Confront. The word confront means to face or deal with a difficult situation or problem directly. When you confront something, you are addressing it head-on and not avoiding it. This can be a challenging process, as it often involves facing fears, uncertainties, or conflicts. However, confronting something can lead to a sense of empowerment and growth. By facing our problems and challenges honestly and directly, we are more likely to overcome them and find resolution. Confrontation can be uncomfortable, but ultimately it can help us build stronger relationships and achieve our goals.